Alright guys, so we made the batch. So we're just doing a taste test now. Junior's going to put a bit of no sugar, or no added sugar, chocolate syrup on his. It's got 6 calories, fuck all protein, 0.2 grams of fat, 0.1 grams saturated, 0.8 carbs, 0.02 sugars, and 42 milligrams of sodium. They have a bit of whipped cream. Do you have whipped cream too?
Oh yeah?
Yeah. So this is pretty good too. Where's the fucking...
You need like a knife for this thing to like come out.
Shouldn't need to. Oh, whatever. And I'm gonna have the use the chocolate syrup. The maple syrup.
Okay.
Probably thick. Yeah, it's thick.
Not on me.
Well, use your knife. So let's do this taste test. I already made this yesterday, so it was delicious. But it's all about what he reckons.
My trying.
Him trying it.
My tryingness.
It's like Natal. What was it so thick for?
Yeah, I know. The other one wasn't this thick, was it?
No. Well, it wasn't that thick when I used it. Alright. Here's your whipped creamies.
Thank you.
Let's go. Yeah, buddy. It's big.
Let's try this out.
Get a bit of syrup too and whipped cream.
That's not bad. Kind of tastes like a cookie thing.
No. Delicious. Done good, Coach Greg. Good recipe.
Thank you, mate.
Alright, so we're gonna demolish these pancakes and we'll see you in the next video. Peace. Later,
Later,
Bob.
Bob.